5 Best High-Protein Breakfast Foods for Weight Loss and All-Day Energy. Introduction. Have you ever eaten breakfast and felt hungry again just an hour later? One of the biggest reasons this happens is that many traditional breakfasts are high in sugar and refined carbohydrates, but low in protein. These foods may provide quick energy, but they often leave you hungry and craving snacks long before lunchtime. That's why starting your day with enough protein can make such a big difference. Protein helps you stay full longer, supports muscle health, and provides steady energy throughout the day. In this video, we're sharing 5 of the best high-protein breakfast foods that are nutritious, delicious, and easy to prepare. Let's get started. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most nutritious foods you can eat. 2 large eggs provide around 12 grams of high-quality protein along with important nutrients like vitamin B12, vitamin D, selenium, and choline. Eggs are incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them boiled, scrambled, or as a vegetable omelet. Adding spinach, tomatoes, or mushrooms can make them even more nutritious. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt contains significantly more protein than regular yogurt and can provide between 15 and 20 grams of protein per serving. It's also rich in calcium and probiotics that support digestive health. Try adding berries, chia seeds, almonds, or walnuts for extra fiber and antioxidants. This combination makes a delicious breakfast that helps keep you satisfied longer. Number 3. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are convenient, delicious, and easy to prepare in advance. Combining oats with milk, Greek yogurt, and chia seeds creates a breakfast rich in both protein and fiber. Adding fruits like bananas or berries provides extra vitamins and natural sweetness. It's a simple breakfast that can help provide lasting energy throughout the morning. Number 4. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is one of the highest protein dairy foods and can provide more than 20 grams of protein per serving. Pair it with berries, peaches, or whole grain toast to create a balanced breakfast packed with protein and nutrients. Despite being rich in protein, cottage cheese is relatively low in calories, making it a popular choice for healthy eating. Number 5. Peanut butter on whole wheat toast. Whole wheat toast with natural peanut butter is simple but surprisingly satisfying. Whole grains provide slow-releasing carbohydrates, while peanut butter contributes protein and healthy fats that help keep you full longer. Adding sliced bananas or strawberries can make this breakfast even more delicious and nutritious. Conclusion. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Simple changes like increasing protein at breakfast can help provide lasting energy and make it easier to stay satisfied throughout the day. Which one of these high-protein breakfast foods would you like to try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Lean Smart Daily for more nutrition tips and healthy eating advice. Until next time, eat smart, stay lean, and live better.